using Pack-N-Go, example 1. We have a drawing of an assembly with the bill of material. I want to make a duplicate of this drawing using the same assembly without modifying the original. To do that, we're going to use a tool called Pack-N-Go. You can find this by going to File, Pack-N-Go. What we're going to do is we're going to save this into a new folder. So I'm going to specify a different folder than the original. I'm going to make it a folder called example. We're going to save these files into an example folder, but I'm only going to include just the top level assembly and the drawing itself. We'll go ahead and add a prefix to this. I'm going to call this test, and we're going to hit save. Now, if I go and open up from my folder, you're going to see a file called test universal joint, test drawing. I can now open this up, and it's so far looks identical, so it's the same starting point. But when I open up this assembly, we'll notice that this assembly is different than the original. For example, if I wanted to come in here and turn off a bunch of these components, we'll notice that if I come back over here to my test, that's went ahead to be updated, but our original assembly, universal joint, has not been affected. Again, I can tile these two drawings, one on the left, one on the right, and we see that the original has not been affected, but I was able to create an exact duplicate using the drawing and the assembly without having to duplicate the work.